Welcome to 145 Justin Lane, where your private oasis awaits you. I absolutely love this huge kitchen. This gourmet kitchen is an entertainer's dream, complete with Z-line appliances, lots of countertop space, and the openness on the first floor is perfect for entertaining. And also, in keeping with the open floor plan, your dining area is in between the kitchen and the great room, so everyone can conversate and everything can flow seamlessly. And over here you'll find the first floor living space, complete with hand-scraped hardwood floors, built-ins flanking each side of the gas fireplace, and a custom mantel shelf. Also on the first floor, you will notice there are 8-foot doorways, arched doorways, 10-foot ceilings, and custom Amish crown molding and built-in cabinetry. You will find 2 offices on the first level, or flex spaces. If you have kids, you could use one of them as a playroom. I think one of them would make a great Christmas room with train and Christmas tree and everything in the wintertime. Just whatever you'd like to make of it. One thing I love about this house is the ample storage space that you'll find throughout. You also have 3 pantries, not 1, not 2, but 3. Pantry number 1, fixed wood shelves. Pantry number 2, more fixed wood shelves. And pantry number 3, the creme de la creme, is this huge walk-in pantry with built-ins, tankless water heater, a built-in arrival center for your coats and shoes, and plenty of extra space for you to put a deep freeze. You can have an upright or chest style, and you could also add a sink in here if you would like a utility sink. And inside the garage, you'll find an insulated garage door with lights. You've got a sink in the corner, clean up and work on projects. And you also have countertop space down here for your projects. Check out this 2-story foyer with lots of natural sunlight. And check out this modern staircase with cabling, wood, and wrought iron. Gives it a nice modern touch. Now we're up here on the 2nd story that has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a laundry room, and it's just an awesome area. I absolutely love this bathroom. Check out this soaking tub with a nice view of the tree line surrounding the house. Double vanity, which has a nice faux finish and extra storage. You've got your linen closet here, and you've got a giant walk-in closet with built-ins. And down here in the basement, you'll find an exercise room and 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath and a large bonus area. There's also double doors that lead outside to the in-ground pool. For outdoor entertaining and viewing pleasure, you've got this dual covered patio with the covered deck above it and steps going down to the lower level, leading to the hot tub, the in-ground pool, and the fire pit. The current owners have added this large parking pad out here, which is great for when you need additional parking spaces for your guests, and also if you have any additional spaces needed for boats, for additional vehicles, equipment, and so forth. It's a little bit separated from the house, so it can stay over here by itself and not really interfere with the aesthetics of the home.